I pop a perk and I fuck her for hours. She said she liking the way that I pound her. Fuck in the kitchen, my gun on the...
Had it, man. You know, we back again with another motherfucking bang, man. You feel me? Had to put a couple upgrades. You feel me? This is crazy. And fuck with my nigga, man. He really like that. He really like that. Anything you need, oil change, all that, nigga.
Yes, sir.
Let him know. What's your Instagram?
DBS Auto Repair, man. Hit me up.
All right, for sure. Bet that. That motherfucker look crazy. I'm telling you, my boy get me right, bro. I was down bad on my brakes, bro. Tell him, bro, my shit was in half, bro.
God, man. We getting them together.
You feel me? You got this Hemi right here. You feel me? This motherfucker clean, too. Telling you. 5'7" boys. I really fuck with them black rims. I know you're not trying to let them go. I said, I really fuck with them black rims. I know you're not trying to let them go.
I got a steal on them one.
He said, I got a steal. I'm telling you. I had to make some room. This bitch look clean. They haven't even seen the Charger for months. I can't lie. They been seeing me spin it, but they ain't see all this. Yeah, I already put the sticker on here. Put the little, you feel me? I don't know what these called. But yeah, I took my rims off because they was bending shit, but they coming back. Y'all know. Added that bitch right there. You know how to install lights too? You know how to install lights too?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get that you know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
I done put a couple of those in already.
All right, for sure. Say that. So y'all stay tuned. We finna get more. We gonna get newer headlights. You know the one that LED around? It's like got that little. You know the ones that LED around?
Yeah, they got the little
Hell yeah. That's what I need, bro. Oh, look like them brakes getting bad. We gonna have to. I might have to see you about them brakes soon, cuz in the back. But it's looking good though. It's the Hemi, baby. You feel me? Damn, them mufflers cold as hell. I'm gonna take your what's the name? Your license plate out. I ain't gonna put all that shit in. Okay. Hell yeah. Look at it from the side. Hell yeah. You see that? That's that Hemi. Yo. What you planning on doing to this? You said you gonna put a
I'm going to do that year SRT hood and front bumper. I got this set up to get fixed, bro. And then shit, bro. I really want to work on the interior. I either want to find some red or black. It's hard to find the red.
Hell yeah.
End up getting
Hell yeah. So this is like your project car, oh God.
Bro, I'm gonna show you some pictures of it when I first got it.
All right, for sure.
Bro, you gonna be like, damn.
Crazy. We definitely gonna have to see that. Feel me? But listen, bro, this bitch was a police Charger, cuz. I'm telling you, y'all seen what it looked like. You feel me? When it was first, bro, this shit is, you feel me? I told you I was gonna do my little thing until they ain't believe me. They'll never believe it till they see it. You make me want to go get a car wash after this, bro. This bitch gotta look like, you feel me? You just hit off the lot. I still got tire, my boy. Still got tired. This is what's up, though. She hella mean, can't lie. Well, I'm gonna come back to y'all when we got that bitch fully on there. I'm telling y'all come tap in, man. Y'all come tap in now. He gonna get you right. Not going nowhere. Y'all come tap in, man. Let him get you right. He do oil change, brake pads, all that, all that. Fix your bumper, get you all right. I'm telling you. Almost there. I'm gonna put his Instagram right on the screen right here. Yup. Y'all go tap in, man. Yeah, oh my God, that's crazy. That's crazy. See it, man. We going up from here, you feel me? I stay customizing this bitch. Let y'all see it. Fuck with me. Motherfucker give it a whole new look, whole little bad look. Motherfucker sitting right, looking right. Yeah, mean baby, slum baby. Telling you, baby. I forgot go get her. I forgot go get her.
Flying SRT, got rich off in NT. Flying that SRT, baby shot, I got rich off in NT. Bitch, I pull up, flying the SRT. SRT, I'ma pull up and red eye and you die. Forget auntie,